Hi class, my name is Cheyenne and I'm excited to be everyone's classmate. Just a little bit about me. Something I'm doing now professionally is I work at a school for behavior intervention at a mental health facility. It's basically a referral-based program, so you can only get in if you do have a referral from your school district, and we do things like one-on-one support. There's about 40 kids in the school, anywhere from autistic teens, foster teens. We do have some pretty violent kids. For example, I got a desk thrown at me today, so that was pretty interesting when I was supporting a youth. So we help kids who are struggling in school, who like academically also have a mental health diagnosis. And I'm about 3 months into that, and I'm enjoying that so far. I'm excited to develop a little more professionally and learn some skills from my coworkers and team there. Um, Something I've most enjoyed in my past courses is I really like hearing personal experiences. For some reason, that really helps me apply the material because I like the storytelling and learning more about how other people experienced or learned lessons. So I'm excited to hear from my peers. And I'm really looking forward to public policy. In the past, I used to work for a congressman, so I was publicly involved, like in that regard. So I'm excited to learn more about it, since I have had some government involvement in my past. So that will, I'm looking forward to applying the knowledge, like kind of to my past experiences and looking on how to better support my clients in the future. Again, I'm excited to be everyone's classmate. Hello from California. Um, yeah, can't wait to meet everyone. Thanks.